Hi friends, myself Dikanari, working as a assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss about basic concept in industrial chemistry. Topic number first, BSc second semester 3. Introduction of industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry, it is industrial application especially to produce in manufacturing and arts and to commercial production of chemicals with a number of problems and their solution through industrial process such as environmental protection, biochemical process, new sources of energy, new material, etc. Some definition and explanation of important basic terms important terms: solution. In solution, two main parts is equal to solution plus solvent. What is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. That is, homogeneous means mixture means its composition and properties are uniform throughout the mixtures. Solute depends on the quantity proportion. The component of solution which is present in smaller proportion is called as a solute. Second, solvent, the component of solution which is present in large proportion is called solvent. Next term, binary solution. Binary solution is nothing but two component solution contain two components is called as a binary solutions. Dilute solution, a solution in which the quantity of solute is very small as compared with the solvent is called as a dilute solution. Means a solution containing relatively low concentration of solute is called as a dilute solution. Concentrated solution, a solution in which quantity of solute is large as compared with the solvent is called as a concentrated solution. Similar as a solution containing relatively high concentration of solute is called concentrated solution. Aqueous solution means solution prepared in water. Non-aqueous solution is prepared in solvents other than the water. That is organic solvents, chloroform, ether, benzene. These are the non-aqueous solvents. Different types of solution, from types of gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, solid solution. In this, solute are different, solvent are different. Gaseous solution, in this solute is gas, solvent is gas, then the mixture of, example is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen are gases. Liquid solute, gas, solvent, then chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Solute, solid and solvent gas, camphor in nitrogen gas. In liquid solution, solute is gas, solvent is liquid, then oxygen dissolved in water. Solute is liquid, solvent liquid, ethanol dissolved in water. So solute solid, solvent liquid, glucose dissolved in water. In type of solution, solid solution, gas solute, solvent solid, then solution of hydrogen in palladium. Solute liquid, solvent solid, amalgam of mercury with sodium. Solute solid, solvent solid, then copper dissolved in gold. These are the different types of solution, depends on the gases, liquid, solute and solvents. Solvents are classified as two types: polar solvents and non-polar solvents. These are the depends on the dipole moment. The solvent whose molecule have net permanent dipole moment are called as a polar solvent. Example: water, ethyl alcohol, HCl. Non-polar solvent, the solvent whose molecule not net permanent dipole moment are called as a non-polar solvent. Example: benzene, CCl4, kerosenes. Solvents are classified as two types again. Protic solvent means solvent contain H atom, and aprotic solvent contain does not H atom. Definition: the solvent which contain hydrogen attached to an electronegative atom like nitrogen and oxygen is termed as a protic solvent. In water, H is attached to oxygen. In alcohol, H is attached to oxygen. Amide, H is attached to nitrogen. Aprotic solvent, the solvent in which hydrogen is not attached to an electronegative atom, that is nitrogen and oxygen, in termed as a aprotic solvent. Chloroform, ether, and methyl nitrate. Different type of solutions: saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Depends on the amount of solute present in the given volume of solvent. The solution is classified into three categories. Saturated solution, the solution which contain maximum amount of solute. Maximum amount of solute at given temperature and pressure is called as a saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, the solution which contain less amount of solute than the saturated solution is called as a unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution, the solution which contain more solute than saturated solution is called as a supersaturated solution. Equivalent weight of substance is defined as weight of the substance which combines with or displaces one part by weight of hydrogen or 8 part by weight of oxygen, 35.5 part by weight of chlorine. Explanation: example, carbon plus hydrogen to form methane, Mg plus Cl2, MgCl2, Cu plus O2, CuO. These are the explanation in next slide. C plus H2 to form methane, 4 part by weight of hydrogen combined with 4 part of hydrogen combined with 12 part by weight of carbon. Weight of carbon is 12 part. Therefore, 1 part by weight of hydrogen will combine with 12 into 1. 12 into 1 divided by 4, 3 part by weight of carbon. Hence, equivalent weight of carbon will be 3. Next, copper plus oxygen to form a copper oxide, 32 part weight of oxygen combined with 127 part by weight of copper. Therefore, 8 part by oxygen will combine with 127 into 8 divided by 32 gives 31.75 part by weight of copper. Hence, equivalent weight of copper will be 31.75. Mg plus Cl2, 2 MgCl2, 71 part weight by chlorine combined with 24 part weight by magnesium. Therefore, 35 part by weight of chlorine will combine with 12.24 into 35.5 divided by 71, then telu part by weight of magnesium. Hence, equivalent weight of this magnesium will be telu. Gram equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is expressed in gram, is called as a gram equivalent. Equivalent weight of chlorine is 35.5. Hence, its gram equivalent weight is 35.5 gram. 11.2 dm cube of hydrogen at STP weight 1.008 gram. Hence, weight in gram of element combined with or displaces with 11.2 dm cube of hydrogen at STP is the gram equivalent weight of the element, particular that element. Molecular weight. What is molecular weight? Molecular weight of substance is defined as the average relative weight of its one molecule obtained by comparing it with 1/12 weight of carbon atom having its isotope mass telu. Molecular weight is equal to average weight of one molecule of the substance divided by 1/12 weight of one atom in 12C. Molecular weight is unitless. There is no unit for molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Molecular weight expressed in gram is called as a gram molecular weight. Molecular weight of carbon monoxide is 28. Hence, its gram molecular weight is 28 gram. It is also called 1 mole molecule, which refer to Avogadro's number of molecules. Basicity of acid. The number of ionizable hydrogen atom H plus ion present in molecule of an acid is known as basicity of acid. In these examples, in this HCl, 1H is ionizable, and nitric acid, this H is ionizable, and acetic acid, this H is ionizable. Therefore, these are the 1H. Therefore, these called as a monobasic acids. Basicity is equal to 1. These three acids, their basicity is 1. In second example, H2SO4 and oxalic acid, it contains 2 H's are ionizable. That's why called as a dibasic acid, and its basicity is 2. In third example, in these two examples, 3 H are ionizable. That's why called as a tribasic acid, and basicity is 3. Acidity of bases. The number of ionizable hydroxyl radical, that is OH plus ion present in molecule, OH minus ion present in molecule of base is known as acidity of base. First example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, it contain one OH, that's why called as a monoacidic bases, and acidity is 1. Second example, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, it contain 2 hydroxide group, that's why called as a diacidic bases. Acidity is equal to 2. And third example, these two example contain 3 hydroxyl radical, that's why called as a triacidic bases, and acidity is 3. Ways for expression of concentrations of solutions. Different type of concentration of solutions prepared from this formula. Definition: concentration of solution, amount of solution dissolved in specific amount, that is 1 meter cube or 1 dm cube of solution. Concentration is equal to amount of solute divided by volume of solvent or solution. It is expressed in various ways or units, that is N means normality, molarity, molality, weight, volume, weight volumes. Normality. Definition: normality is defined as number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 dm cube or liter of solution. Example: if x gram equivalent of solute are present in y dm cube of solution, then the normality of solution will be given by n is equal to x upon y. Normality n is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute x divided by volume of solution y dm cube. That's calculate the normality of the solutions. The number of gram equivalent of substance, that is solute into x, can be calculated as number of gram equivalent of solute x is equal to weight of the substance divided by gram equivalent to weight of the substance. Hence n is equal to weight of the substance divided by gram equivalent to weight of the substance into 1 divided by volume of solution y dm cube. That is n is equal to ws divided by es into 1 upon y dm cube. Gram equivalent weight is also called as a equivalent weight. Normality of solution example: normality of solution containing 4.9 gram of H2SO4 in 1 dm cube of solution. Solution n is equal to weight of substance divided by gram equivalent weight of the substance into 1 upon volume of solution y dm cube. That is n is equal to 4.9, weight of substance is 4.9 divided by gram equivalent to weight of H2SO4 is 49 into 1 divided by 1 liters is equal to 0.1 normality of this solution. Hence, how to calculate gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 is equal to molecular weight of H2SO4 divided by basicity of solution. Previous slide you studied basicity of solution. It contains 2 HR ionizable. That's why molecular weight divided by molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98 divided by 2 ionizable H. That's why called gives 49 equivalent weight of the H2SO4. Formula for calculation of equivalent weight of substance. Equivalent weight of an acid is equal to strength of acid divided by normality of acid. Equivalent weight of base, similar, strength of base divided by normality of base. Normality of acid is equal to molarity into basicity, and normality of base is equal to molarity into acidity. Formula for calculation of equivalent weight of substance. Equivalent weight of an acid is equal to molecular weight of acid divided by basicity of acids. Equivalent of base, molecular weight of base divided by acidity of the base. Equivalent weight of salts, for salts is equal to formula weight divided by valency of metal atoms. In redox reaction, equivalent weight of an ion is equal to formula weight, overall formula weight divided by change in oxidation number. Examples: calculate the normality of solution when 5.6 gram of potassium hydroxide dissolved in 1 dm cube solution. Weight of KOH is equal to W is equal to 5.6 gram. Volume of solution is y dm cube. That is calculation. Equivalent weight of KOH, molecular weight of KOH divided by acidity is equal to 56 divided by 1, because of hydroxyl radical is 1. That's why 56 divided by 1 is equal to 56. Normality of calculation, normality of solution, n is equal to equivalent to weight of this substance divided by gram equivalent to weight of substance into 1 divided by volume of solution y dm cube. 56 divided by 5.6 divided by 56 into 1 upon 1, that is equal to 0.1 normal solutions of KOH. Second example, calculate the normality of NaOH solution containing 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram of it dissolved in 2 dm cube of water. Solution given, weight of NaOH given 10 to 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. Volume of solution is 2 dm. Equivalent weight of NaOH, molecular weight of NaOH divided by acidity of NaOH. molecular weight of NaOH is 40 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg divided by, that's why equivalent weight of NaOH is 40 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. N is equal to weight of the substance divided by gram equivalent weight of this substance into 1 upon volume of solution. That's why 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg upon 40 into 10 raised to kg 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.125 normal NaOH solution of this calculation of this compound. Molarity of, what is molarity? Molarity is defined as number of mole of solute present in 1 dm cube or liter of the solution. Formula: molecular weight m is equal to number of moles of solute x divided by volume of solution in dm cube y. Example: 1 molar NaOH solution means 1 mole that is 40 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 1 liter, that is 1 dm cube of water. Molarity is depends upon the temperature. Molarity, it's important. Molarity is depends on the temperature. The number of mole substance solute x can be calculated. Number of mole is equal to weight of substance divided by molecular weight of the substance, ms. Hence m is equal to weight of the substance divided by molecular weight of substance into 1 divided by volume of solution in dm cube. That is m is equal to ws upon ms into 1 upon dm y dm cube. Calculation example: calculate the molarity of solution containing 4 gram of NaOH in 2 dm solution. Given formula: Ws weight of the substance 4, molecular weight of the substance 40, elements sodium is equal to 23, hydrogen is equal to 1, oxygen equal to 16, that is molecular weight is 40. Y is equal to 2 dm cube 2 liter. M is equal to Ws upon ms into 1 upon y dm cube. M is equal to 4 is molecular weight divided by equivalent molecular weight into 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.05 molecular weight of NaOH, mole of NaOH. Next example: calculate the molarity of solution when 3.65 gram of HCl is dissolved in 2 into 2 dm cube solution. So given the molecular weight 3.65, equivalent weight 36.5, y is equal to 2 dm cube. M is equal to Ws divided by ms into 1 upon y dm cube. M is equal to 3.65 divided by 36.5 into 1 upon 2, that is molarity of this calculation is 0.05 molar HCl. Calculate normality and molarity of solution containing 9.8 gram of H2SO4 in 1 dm cube of solution. Given Ws is 9.8 gram sulfuric acid, volume of solution is 1 dm cube. Equivalent weight H2SO4 is 49 and ms 98 and m. Calculation: normality and molarity calculation. N is equal to Ws E upon equivalent weight into 1 upon y dm cube. 9.8 divided by 49. 9.8 is weight of substance and gram equivalent weight 49 into 1 upon 1, that is 0.2 normal H2SO4 solution. Molarity: Ws upon W, molecular weight divided by molecular weight of the substance into 1 upon y dm cube. 9.8 divided by molecular weight is 98 into 1 upon 1 is equal to 0.1 molar solution of H2SO4. Molality is defined as number of mole of solute present in 1000 gram 1 kg of solution. Molarity m is small m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in gram into 1000. 1 molar KCl solution means 1 mole 70 4.5 gram of KCl is dissolved in 1 kg of water. Molality does not depends on the temperature, but molarity is depends on the temperature. The number of mole substance can be calculated. Number of mole is equal to the weight of the substance divided by molecular weight of substance. Hence, M is equal to weight of substance divided by molecular weight of substance into 1000 divided by mass of solvent in gram. That is, M is equal to Ws divided by Ms into 1000 divided by Y gram. Okay, example, calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Solution, molecular weight of C2H ethanoic acid is 12 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 16 into 2. Molecular weight of oxygen is equal to 60 gram per mole. M is equal to Ws divided by Ms into 1000 divided by Y. That is 2.5 into 1000, 60 into 75. That is, molality of this ethanoic acid is 0.556 molar. Calculate molality of solution 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in 100 gram of water. Solution, molecular weight of NaOH 23 sodium, 16 oxygen plus hydrogen gives 40 gram per mole. M is equal to weight of substance divided by molecular weight of substance into 1000 divided by mass of solute in gram. M is equal to 4 upon 40 into 1000 upon 100 is equal to 1 mole NaOH solution. These are the example. In this example, molality of sodium carbonate containing 25 gram into 10 H2O water. The volume of resulting solution is 200 ml and its density is 1.0 gram per ml. Weight substance, molecular weight substance solution, and it's a DMQ. Then put in this value in formula. M is equal to 25 divided by 286 into 1 upon 0.2. That's the normality of this solution is 0.437 normal. These are the formula of the solution: molality, weight of substance divided by molecular weight of substance into 1000 divided by mass of the solvent in gram. 286 mass of the solvent. Calculate volume of solution, mass upon density. Mass of solution is equal to volume of solution into density. Mass of solution is equal to 200 into 1.0.4 is equal to 208 gram. Mass of solution is equal to mass of solute sodium carbonate plus mass of solvent. 208 is equal to 25 plus mass of solvent Y. Mass of solvent is equal to 208 minus 25 gives 183. Hence, molality is M is equal to weight of substance divided by molecular weight of the substance into 1000 divided by mass of the solvent. Ws upon Ms into 1000 Y. M is equal to 25 divided by 286 into 1000 divided by 83 equal to 0.47.76. Thank you for listening and watching.